different video for the channel. This one's on a Presto Pizzazz pizza cooker. And this belongs to a buddy of mine, and he got the electric shock treatment from it, from the steel parts on the elements there. And I'd like to get electrocuted, so I'm going to take a quick look at it. So I just popped off the little steel cover that was here, took a quick look inside, and yep, there's the problem. That would definitely give you a shocking experience right there. That connector or switch or whatever that is supposed to be sitting up on top, and as you can see, one clip is on while the rest of it is down inside the metal, down inside the holes basically, and the contacts are touching the case or the steel frame. That would indeed give you quite the root. So yeah, let's see now if I can somehow maybe bring that up. I don't know if that's melted like that from heat or what, but that there is definitely a shock hazard if there ever was one. Hey guys, I got her. Somehow this side here got pushed down, which caused the contacts on the other side to touch this metal frame, which is, you know, part of the whole thing. So there's your issue. But this connector here somehow fell down through and shorted everything out. Not good. It was even more good. Oh, my sonny boys, don't you just love how they don't insulate anything? Like, what the hell? Was like, how dangerous are they making shit in the name of God? This is just dangerous shit. I mean, you got this wall here is going up against this wall, and like, holy crap. I'm half tempted to put some heat shrink on this. Actually, I think I'm going to put some heat shrink on this. Yeah, the heat shrink tubing put on the connectors there. Anyway, I'm going to put this thing back together, and I guess try it and see if she's still dangerous as hell or not. So, anyways, found the short. Surprising that there's no circuit breaker or anything in this thing. Holy crap. Here it was. Got her fixed. Got the clips on top where they're supposed to be. I got to admit, there's not much space there on that metal. Holy mackerel. I mean, those pins and that and the side of that metal there, not fit. I don't know how they can get away with it. Anyway, put her together, I suppose, and see what happens. Got her on 20 there. We smell them. Oh yeah. Got heat there now. So I mean, I can. Don't let pizza touch. I wonder why. Hey guys, this is the rig. Pizzazz Plus rotating oven. I just tried it out, and it is indeed heating up there now and rotating. How the pan don't fall off of this thing, I don't know, because it basically sits right there on that, and this switch turns the machine on or off. But that's crazy. How the pan stays on that, just balances. That's nuts. Anyway, just a different video, folks. This thing is definitely a shock hazard. There is don't appear to be any shock hazard protection built into this. There's only a 2-wire plug, and it don't even have a ground. No ground on it. So if that was a 3-prong plug, and the AC shorted to that metal, it would have went back to the circuit breaker panel and popped the breaker. This thing will just keep, it'll just keep cooking you as well as the pizza. So, interesting. Anyway, that's my crazy video for tonight. Watch this, folks, if you've got one of these. Holy moly.